right, great work. I am out of breath. That was our cardio section. Now we're gonna move on to how to train your muscles. All right, great work. I am out of breath. That was your cardio section. Now we're gonna move on to how to train your muscles and strengthen your body with just your body weight. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna start by standing on one leg. Put the other leg back with no weight on it. Reach the arms above your head by your ears. Okay, watch. We're gonna lift the back leg up and down, up. Now make sure your abs are tight. You don't wanna lose your belly in this. Chest is lifted, shoulders are down. Up, down, up. Couple more. Yes. Okay, we're gonna pulse. Ready? Pulse. So you can be right above the floor and just tapping your toe, that's fine. Now check out that standing leg, bend it a little bit. Slight bend in the knee, pulse that leg. Nice. Okay, new move, hands on the hips. You should be feeling a little shaky right now, that's okay. You're just negotiating your balance. Take the opposite arm as the leg, and you're gonna reach to the ground and back up. Watch this. Back up. Yes. You try. Okay, if you can't make it to the ground, you can just hold it right here, 45 degrees. Keep your hips square as best you can. Yes. A few more. Last one. Okay, switch sides, shake it out. Other leg, ready? Lift and down. Lift, down. Woo! I need to get a towel. Lift and down. Okay, we're gonna pulse. Ready? Pulse. Okay, check that standing leg. Small bend in the knee. Chest is lifted, belly tight. Yeah. How you feeling? Okay, from here, hold. Opposite arm is leg. Control your balance. Down to the ground. Whoa. Now you'll find one side is better than the other. That's totally okay. Negotiate the balance. Wiggly is good. It means you're getting stronger. Yeah. A few more. Last one. Okay. It's going to be kind of a hip-hoppy track. It's going to be fun. So get into a low squat. Down and up. Okay, you're probably going to feel a burn in this one. So get ready. Okay, arms in front. You're gonna lift one heel at a time. Hopefully you can see me. Heel, heel. Okay, now check it. Legs are pressed back, knees are pressed back. Chest is lifted, abs are on. Shoulders down. Are you having fun yet? Keep going. Now you don't want to rock as much as you want to dance right now, I understand. Just try to control the core. Yeah. Okay, keep going. Looking good. Okay. Hold. Reach in the arms and side tap. So it's like you're trying to get your neighbor's attention and you're like, hey. And guess what you're doing? You're isolating the rib cage right here. Yeah. Legs are burning. If you need a break, you can stand up and get right back to it. Good. New move. Press back. So it's like you're patting someone on the back behind you. My legs are burning. Yeah. Okay, you have one more set. Flip the hands, pat forward. And check your shoulders. Make sure your shoulders are down, they're not riding up. Yeah. This is an arm workout, you guys. A few more and then you're done. 3, 2, 1, rest. Shake it out. Nice work, that was fun. Jog it out. It's good to keep your heart rate up even though you're not doing cardio. Okay, come into a lunge position. Check your alignment, nice and straight, chest is lifted. We're gonna go down to 90 degrees and pulse. Just like that. Yeah. We're gonna build on this. All right, check it. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're gonna go to the floor for a push-up. On your knees, on your hands, legs back, push up, knees, feet, back to the lunge, same side. 8, 7, 6, arms up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees, hands, feet, push up. Knees, feet, same leg. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. This time, 8 push-ups. Knees or toes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up. Switch sides. Other leg down to 90 degrees. Pulse. Breathe in, take a breath. Exhale, let it out. Nice. I'm sweating. Hold it here. Good. Feeling shaky in the quad probably. You're working a lot of muscles in your body. So good for you. Your body will thank you for this. Okay, check it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, to the ground. 1 push-up. Knees, hands, feet. 1 push-up. Knees, feet, stand. Same leg back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees, feet, hands. 1 push-up. Stand, same leg. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. You know what's coming. 8 push-ups. Go. You got it. Knees or toes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up. Shake it out. Jog it out. Good work. Short break. Keep jogging. Okay, next move. Wide squat. We're back. One arm up, one arm comes to the floor, to your heel, switch. Yeah. I'm gonna take my socks off so I don't slide on this one. So, you're gonna go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Good. Okay, we're gonna work the back a little bit. Bring your arms into a diagonal position. You're gonna press back, just like this. Give yourself some space on the ground. Yeah. Now, when you're ready, transfer your weight to your front foot. Lift the back leg 6 inches off the ground or so. Keep pulsing. You're gonna move your arms from this position to center. Yeah. And then the other side diagonal. Back to center. Good. Switch legs, ready? 8, 7, 6, 5. Squeeze your shoulder blades as tight as you can. Center. 8. Like I'm pressing on the back of your back and you're trying to get my finger. Other side. Yeah. Squeeze the abs. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, new move. We're gonna do some kicks. First, we're gonna tap the toes. Here we go. Tap, tap. That's it. It's called like a little cheerleader tap. So you're alternating feet. That's it. So we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lift, alternate to the back. Back to the taps. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. To the tap, to the back. 2, 3, 4. Now, option, bring your knees up. And to the back. 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Tap, tap, tap. Good. That is your strength section.